Hi everyone, I'm Nastya. In this video I'll show you how to make such an interesting and unusual bow from satin ribbon. First of all, take two pieces of different ribbons. They must be 4 by 20 cm in size. Connect the edge with the middle of the piece so you can get a loop 5 cm in size. Sew along the edge using a needle and thread into the ribbon. Tie up the ribbon and fix the thread. Cut off all unnecessary thread. One half of the bow is ready. Make the second half from another piece of ribbon. Cut the ribbon's edge like in video. You can do it using your scissors and then melt the edge with lighter, or you can use special instrument with hot wire which both cut and melt the ribbon. Now we need to glue over the edges like in video. Trace the necessary piece with oversize of 5 mm. Glue them using a hot gun. Cut off all unnecessary. Glue together two halves of the bow. Decorate the middle with satin ribbon. Glue the bow to the hair clip. Our bow is ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please take the moment to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye!